other cool thing that moms could do is they could powder coat